to NIE English Club. If you're an NEP 4 student, our pronunciation videos will help you speak English more clearly, more naturally, and with confidence. Let's learn together. In today's lesson, we'll practice the sound
air. This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape the mouth makes changes from the beginning of the sound to the end. It's pronounced air. Did you notice how my mouth changed from the beginning to the end of the sound? Watch. Air. Now you try. Air. Air.
Now it's time to practice. First, try pronouncing the words, phrases, and sentences that appear on the screen. Then, listen carefully to the words, phrases, and sentences again. Finally, practice pronouncing them again based on what you have heard. Let's get started.
These are words with air sounds. Let's say them.
Chair, chair.
Pear, pear.
Airport, airport.
Hair, hair.
Square, square.
Now let's try longer phrases. Wooden chairs,
Wooden chairs.
sweet pears,
Sweet pears.
a small square,
A small square.
a big airport,
A big airport.
long black hair.
Long black hair.
Can you read these sentences?
There are 4 wooden chairs in the room. I'm eating a sweet pear.
My mother has long black hair.
Many tourists arrive at a big airport every day.
The teacher is drawing a big square on the board.
Can you read these conversations? How many wooden chairs are in the kitchen?
There are 2 wooden chairs. What are you eating?
I'm eating a sweet pear.
Who is the girl with long brown hair?
She is my cousin.
All right, everyone. Before we finish today's lesson, let's quickly review what we've learned. Chair,
Pear,
hair,
airport,
square. 3 wooden chairs,
a sweet pear,
long black hair,
a big airport.
a small square. There are 3 wooden chairs in the room.
I'm eating a sweet pear.
My mother has long black hair.
Many tourists arrive at a big airport every day.
The teacher is drawing a big square on the board. How many wooden chairs are in the kitchen?
There are 2 wooden chairs. What are you eating?
I'm eating a sweet pear.
Who is the girl with long brown hair?
She is my cousin.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Take care and see you next time.